Hazardous weather conditions are expected later tonight and tomorrow. Very strong and gusty winds will move in from the west, accompanying heavy rain. The wind will gust to 70 or 80 miles an hour at times, and some structural damage is expected. The wet, stormy weather will push into western regions overnight, but most eastern areas should stay dry. It'll be generally blustery. The very strong gusty winds and heavy rain will reach most areas by midday, followed by brighter, showery, squally weather in the west. Northern Scotland will remain cloudy, windy and wet for much of the day. And that's the weather forecast. And the time, it's just after 21 minutes past 2, and BBC One is closing down. So from all of us here, may I wish you a very good night. Good night from BBC One.